Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I will teach you how to play the song, The Battle Hymn of the Republic. The song was written by Julia Ward Howe and very fitting for today because today is Memorial Day, and I would like to salute all the men and women who paid the ultimate sacrifice so that you and I could experience the freedom that we have today. And also a shout out to those that protect our homeland today as well. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tab that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this hymn as I teach it to you, and you can print that out and follow along as we learn together. So let's get started. Okay, that's the chorus of this hymn. So it's got 5 verses in all, so we'll go over a couple of verses. I'm playing this song in the key of G. So looking at the chords used to play this song, G major, C major, B7, E minor, A minor, last D7. So it's quite a few chords there, but if you look at some of my past lessons, I've taught you how to play these chords and should be kind of used to some of those by now, but I'll quickly review how to play these chords. So starting with G major, the first finger is placed on string number 5 of the 2nd fret. Your second finger is placed on string number 6, the very top E string on the 3rd fret. Your little finger on the very first string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. That is G major. Okay, next is C major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret. Skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings with this top E string. That is C major. Okay, next is B7. Okay, to play B7, you place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then your small 4th finger on string number 1 of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings with this top E string. That is B7. Very neat sounding chord. And then E minor. Okay, to play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings. So you want that bass E string to ring out. Okay, then the next chord is A minor. To play A minor, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, then finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. This is A minor. Okay, the last chord is D7. To play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D7. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song, the song is written in 4/4 time. In other words, there's 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to be playing down and up beats on those, so it'll be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So when we're saying the number 1, 2, those are the beats, and we're on the upstroke. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll be strumming it in a shuffle type pattern. So instead of like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to shuffle it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So starting with the chord of G. So we'll go ahead and play the verse on that. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. And then we're going to switch to the C major. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. Then we'll keep going. He has loosed the faithful lightning of his terrible swift sword. So that B7 is played on the word terrible. And then sword will be E minor. So we'll do that third line again. He has loosed the faithful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His, and then A minor. Truth is G bar, and then D7. Okay, so it's his truth is marching on. So you just have to kind of do downbeats as you say those. Marching on, G, D7, G. It kind of goes back and forth there. So his truth is one. So it's his truth is G, D7, G. Okay, let's play it one more time, okay? And I'll just kind of sing it through it. Okay, mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He has loosed the faithful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. Okay, so let's look at the chorus now. We'll be playing all the chords in this as well, except for the B7. We won't be playing that, but we'll be playing all the other chords, okay? So glory, start with G. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. A minor. His truth is marching on. Okay, you notice that last line is just like the verse is, how it ends. You just play those, that G and D7 and G, just single notes there, okay? So let's do the chorus one more time, okay? Glory, glory, hallelujah. C major. Glory, glory, hallelujah. G. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. Okay, as I stated earlier, this song has 5 verses. Typically it's sung a verse and a chorus and a verse and a chorus. The chorus is sung after each verse. Okay, let's look at the 5th verse. In the beauty of the lilies, Christ was born across the sea. Okay, same chord progressions. In the beauty of the lilies, Christ was born across the sea, with the glory in his bosom that transfigures you and me. As he died to make men holy, let us die to make men free, while God is marching on. Okay, let's go through that verse one more time, and I'll just kind of talk the chords. Okay, start with G major. Okay, this is a very easy song to play. It's got a lot of chords, but they're very beautiful transitional chords and just a great hymn to play. If you like this video, like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button. I appreciate that. And feel free to leave a comment. I appreciate all the comments that you've been giving me and suggesting songs and different lessons. Continue to do that, and I appreciate the correspondence back and forth. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmark my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. Appreciate all my current subscribers as well. So have a great Memorial Day today. God bless you.